All right, so check this out. It's not the full lineup, but it's pretty close. I'm in a Mark IV, got a Mark V next to me. There's a silver Mark VI down the way, got a blue Mark 7R right here, and then a white Mark 8 Golf over there. Not the full lineup, but it's pretty cool to see that many in one spot. There it goes. I like the Mark 8s. I've said it since the very beginning. We saw the Mark 8 Golf E in Wolfsburg. In person, I thought the car looked awesome. In pictures, looks a little bit awkward, but I've always liked it. Now the Mark 8R is out, and that thing looks pretty good. I like it a lot, so I'm a fan. Hopefully we'll start seeing the GTI and the R's rolling around, but I've been seeing Mark 8 Golfs for months and months now. I mean, I like them. In person, they look really, really good. All right, so as you can see, we're obviously not at home right now, and thankfully I got my results this morning, and we tested negative for the coronavirus. Thank goodness, which means I don't have to take the test again because that test is awful. I do not like it. It's the most like unnatural feeling to have a Q-tip go that far inside your nose. It's just out, but we're free and clear. The coronavirus tried to get me, but it didn't. The 2 weeks at home, it was nice. We got so much on the VR5, but I'm ready to go back out into the world, go places, work, make more money. So we're free and clear, good to go. It tried to get me, but it couldn't. And our first stop, fresh out of quarantine, is gonna be the good old commissary. You can't see it, but the big building over there, because we need groceries. We've been at home for 2 weeks, eating everything, and there's nothing left. So groceries first, then back home and do some car stuff. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. For those of you who know me, you know that I love snacks, and a car full of groceries makes me very, very happy. All I know is winter is fast approaching, and I'm not excited about it. It's pretty much gonna be like this every day. Cold, rainy, dark by 4. It's like 4:15 right now, and no more sunlight. Not excited about it at all. So I'm still waiting on the new pieces for the subroom to come in, so this will wait just a little bit longer. But yesterday I went through and got the knuckles painted up, and they came out really nice. So these are done and ready for Martin. The hub's been sandblasted and the new wheel bangs are there. So all of this is ready to go. And then to give you guys a few updates on the VR5 itself, the clutch is in transit. I don't have a delivery date yet, but I'm hoping like another week or so, and that'll be here. Another cool thing, I was able to talk to Christian, who's the owner of Carlicious Parts, and we might have some cool pieces coming for the VR5 from him, which is pretty sick. So we'll see what happens. So it's pretty late in the day now, and I wasn't expecting deliveries today, but look what showed up. My box from TriStar Color. I was super impressed with this stuff, so I ordered 2 more cans of the LB6T. Now we can go ahead and paint the brake booster and the calipers. And if you haven't seen this paint before, it comes out really nicely. So all of this is out of a spray can and then spray clear, and you can see the car back there. It matches really well. So very impressed with this, and I want to do some more stuff. So booster will get painted and the calipers for the front and the rear of the Savoy. You guys know I love seeing things side by side, so it's cool to put this old crusty setup next to our nice brand new setup. Got the nice hub here. Once we have that paint match caliper and the new rotor, these things, I mean, look at the difference. Night and day. All right, so we need to go ahead and pull off the brake master cylinder here, so we have the booster by itself, get this prepped and ready for paint. And then coming over to this side, I need to pull the calipers off the rear beam, which are these ones right here. So these will be the new calipers for the rear of the Savoy, and then all I need to do, instead of having 5 lug rear discs, we'll do 4 lug, and easy enough. Ooh, also while I'm over here and I see the good old wagon, the clutch actually showed up maybe a week or so ago, but we've been in quarantine, couldn't go pick it up. So tomorrow I'll pick up the clutch, and then shortly after that we'll start on putting the new clutch in this thing, and then ooh, we're gonna have some fun after that. The nuts on here should be a 13, if I remember correctly. Yep, almost everything on a Volkswagen or a Mark III at least is a 13. Yeah. All right, one side done. Hopefully this side wants to cooperate just as easily. There it is. Whew. A bit more stuck, but we got it. All right, so we now should just slide this right out. Nice and easily. Good, that's out. Now we can paint this thing. Just a little bit stuck on there, but it's fine. It's all fine. There's one. Oh, good grief. We got him. This one too. Looks to be in fairly good shape. Actually look newer than the fronts did. But all the boots here still look to be good. None of them are torn, so once we paint them up, put the new pads in there, they should be perfect, good to go. All right, so we are just about ready to start painting. The rear calipers here have been disassembled, the pads are out, and the carrier arm has been removed. This hardware here, I'm sort of replace, be much easier to do, so that'll all be fresh and new. And then this has been disassembled already, so sand this down, sand these down, and we're gonna start painting. So it's definitely not as good as having an actual sandblaster, but the wire brush has been holding it down for a while now. Not perfect, but not bad. They cleaned up pretty well. So I have the heater on now, and while it warms up, I gotta find the best way to paint all these things. I think with the booster here, I'm gonna set it in like a hole in the box so I can paint the entire thing and not have it like rest like it is right now, so I can paint all sides of it like that. And for the calipers, the best way to paint calipers is to like hang them so they're suspended like this, so you can paint all angles and not have one side touching the ground, which I think I might use this little rack thing here, and I brought some zip ties down. So get all these pieces hung onto there, and then we'll do the primer layer, and once that dries, we'll come back and start adding some color. And I cannot wait to see these things all fresh in a nice coat of LB6T. All right, we are suited up, ready to go. The booster is all prepped and ready, covered, and the rear seal is off, so I'm gonna paint on there. And she is ready to go, and then all of the calipers are hung and ready to go as well. This thing is the perfect tool for this. Very, very nice. So just already start spraying. Gonna be using the Rust-Oleum flat white to do all the primer. Same stuff I use on the intake manifold. You wanna make sure, use the same primer from project to project if you want the colors to match. If you do like a black base and a white base, the shade will be a little bit different. So consistency, sticking with the white primer, then of course after that, going through with the LB6T. These things are gonna look incredible. And as always, give you guys one final look before we start the process. So as you can see, the calipers are looking insane. This color is just easily one of the best OEM Volkswagen colors of all time. Brake booster came out great. So good. So I think it did 4 layers total on everything. I'll let it dry overnight. Tomorrow I'll come back and do the clear. And I think tomorrow as well, my engine cover pieces, I think will be here tomorrow, which, whoo, between these things and the engine covers, I don't know, might be too much just good looking stuff for one video. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm excited. So yeah, let these dry overnight. We'll come back tomorrow, hit them with the clear, and they'll be even shinier than they already are. And like I said, possibly have the engine cover tomorrow, which, whoo, I'm so excited to finally see this piece in person. It looks epic. So last night I was saying there's a possibility my engine cover pieces will be here today. And I'm pleased to announce it showed up today. Now I know I've been hyping this up for quite a long time now, but like, wait till you see this. It's top notch. Now, before I go ahead and open up this box, I'm gonna give a massive shout out to Mads. He's the one who actually made these pieces for me. So Instagram here on the screen, make sure you guys check them out. Because once you see these pieces, I can almost guarantee you'll want something for yourself. So make sure you guys check them out. All right, enough talking. Let's open this thing up. All right, boys, let the fun begin. Oh, I can't wait to see these pieces. All right, we're in. Oh boy. All right, be very careful with this. All right, under all this packaging, there's 2 pieces in here, so I gotta figure out which one's which. Almost there. There's the other piece. That's something. And 1, 2, 3, bam. Oh my goodness, look at that piece. Oh baby, we got ourselves a fully wrapped in carbon fiber V5 engine cover. And I had them do the inner piece too, which is what these pieces go to for the Volkswagen logo. But oh my goodness, I've already painted this piece in the LB6T, so I'll swap this one out, but like, Look how nice that came out. He did this himself, wrapped the entire thing. I think he did like 3 layers of clear. It's so smooth. I think he waxed it too. I mean, it's like, it's so smooth. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. This will be the perfect touch for the top of the VR5, I think. Absolutely amazing. So again, shout out to Mads, Instagram on the screen. This thing is incredible. I cannot wait to see this with the LB6T and the Bentley cap inside here. Woo! I love it. Man, this thing looks so good. He also sent, I think this is a right-hand drive Mark III corner dash piece. Kind of cool. Nice little piece. The Volkswagen logo will go right in the center once I glue it down. And then he sent, I'm pretty sure this is for a Mark IV. The above the like the clamshell piece, which is pretty cool. But man, this thing came out beautiful. A little bit dusty because of the packaging, but like, look at that. So cool. Everything's so nice and smooth. I can't wait. So we'll go ahead and swap out mine for this one. We'll swap this piece into mine and we'll toss on the V5 and see how it looks. But what a nice piece to finish it off with. All right, boys, it is time to put this on. Woo! Look at that. It looks so sick. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that. To Christian for the Savoy. Best of luck with the project from Mads. And then, oh yeah, there's Instagram at LupoJesus. So again, shout out to him. That's cool. I didn't see that back there. Very nice. This thing looks sick. All right, let's set this right here. So now we'll take this insert here, the LB6T one. This one will get put into this engine cover. And then this center section will go into this one and also swap over the Volkswagen logo onto there. But that's gonna look quite nice. Ooh, look at that. I love that finish. But I said I was gonna do just the carbon fiber engine cover and leave this one in the gloss black, but I think having it match is a much better look. And now I have a backup one for whatever I need. And I'm gonna put this onto there, but yeah. I'm a fan. The LB6T looks great with the carbon fiber. Yo, I am so happy with this. Such an awesome final touch to the VR5. The carbon fiber looks so good. I love the Bentley cap popping through, the paint match stuff. It came out so nice. I'm thinking though, I don't know if I like the blue. I like the Volkswagen logo itself, but the blue's kind of off from like the teal and like the carbon fiber. So I might have Danny make me a sticker logo to go on there and maybe do a paint match as well. Or maybe do like all black and maybe like chrome. I don't necessarily know, but other than that, like, whew, it looks sick. I forgot how much this engine cover actually covers. It covers like everything. You can't really see any of my my valve cover anymore, but it's okay. I like the carbon fiber. Such an awesome touch. And if I ever decide to not run this engine cover, then we'll see the wrinkled black underneath. But honestly, I am quite happy with that. All right, so aside from the beautiful engine pieces, again, shout out to Mads. It came out amazing. But last night I ended up actually clearing the pieces downstairs, so those should be done. And then after that, you go to the post office and grab the clutch for the VR6 wagon. All right, let's check out these pieces down here. Like I said, I did a few layers of clear last night, so it should be dry by now. Oh yeah. Ooh, that color just pops like crazy. These things came out so nice. All nice and smooth. So like I said, I did, I think 2 or 3 layers of clear last night. I'll probably do a couple more and then end off with some of this stuff, the acrylic clear, because this stuff works really good. So I'm using the clear they sent me for now, and then at the very end I'll do some of this clear and that'll be done. But they look good. They look really good. Look at that. Not bad for an afternoon sunset. It's the very end of the day and now the sun wants to come out. But I'm not gonna complain though. The sky looks really awesome right now. Such a nice sky. All right, boys. Whew. Clutch has been acquired. All right, it is very cold out here, so we're gonna open this up quickly and show you guys the fancy new clutch that we got for the VR6 Turbo Wagon. This one's gonna be able to hold some power. This is a Clutchmaster FX400, I believe we got. And I got this one, well, Steve got this one, but it came recommended from Kyle W, because he's running the same clutch in his 3.2 turbo. So, if I can get in here at all. You know what it is? It's because I'm not using the unboxing knife, that's the problem. I'm using this jank little razor. There we go. All right, so this one's rated to, I think, 550. So we should be completely fine for the wagon. All right, so he put the original box inside here. This is a new rear main seal. this is heavy. So this is the pressure plate there. Let's open the whole thing up real quick. Carefully. I don't know, Steve wrapped this, or who wrapped it, but it's in here tight. So, nice little thing there. You can see from Clutch Masters. Like I said, this is a Clutch Master FX 400. It's rated for a lot of power. Look at that thing. Look how cool that is. So, there is our pressure plate. The nice little Clutch Master stamp right there. I think the bolts are already in here, are they? Let's loosen these real quick. Then we can pull the pressure plate off and see the clutch plate inside, and then it has a flywheel in the back. I don't know if it's a lightweight flywheel. I think it's a lightweight steel one, not lightweight aluminum. So now, pressure plate coming off. Here's our 6-puck. I'm not even sure what kind of material this is, but it's fancy. So this is our 6-puck clutch plate inside of there, and then the lightweight steel flywheel. So very, very nice stuff. And actually, I'm a nice person. We'll put this on Steve's car, but this would also fit in my VR5, I believe. So let me just test and see. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. So just confirming that a 12-valve VR6 clutch and flywheel does fit on the VR5. You can see all the holes line up exactly. Everything's good to go. Ooh, that looks nice. I cannot wait. Actually, speaking of that, my clutch has an update. Should be here on November 18th. So 6 days from today, we'll have the clutch for my VR5. But this one here is for Steve's car, which is gonna be 6. So yeah, like I said, this thing's gonna hold some power. We have like 300 or so braking miles, and then we can actually rip that car, and I'm quite excited. And then looking in here, we have a clutch alignment tool. We have a new bearing right there, and I believe inside this bag is all new flywheel bolts. So everything we need. But with that, gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I actually go back to work tomorrow. I've been off for 2 weeks now. Gotta go make some more money, but we did make an insane amount of progress. I mean, like, subframe's done. That's just about done. I mean, all pieces got painted. We made so much progress in these 2 weeks, but time to go back to work. Gotta make some more money and get this thing done. As always, do not forget, be thankful for every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.